Top 5 Best Winemaking Kits. Number 5. FontanaWine Homebrewing Wine Kit. What customers have to say. A delighted customer on Amazon remarked that this winemaking kit was outstanding as it was able to result in full-bodied tasting wine. It also comes with stickers to label the bottles. Another shopper said that the winemaking kit was great. Making wine was not a struggle anymore as it definitely tastes amazing, especially when enjoyed in the summer. Why we think it's great. This ingredient kit ensures the whole winemaking process unfolds smoothly and effortlessly. It gives you various choices when it comes to the wine you are going to make. From the ripe purple fruit and smoky bacon fat that enchant newbies to the savory herb, earthy funk, and distinctive cracked pepper, the kit can deliver tasty and fresh wine in no time. Who should buy it? This winemaking kit makes for an enjoyable DIY project at home for any wine enthusiast. Not to mention, you can hand out your finished wines as homemade gifts for friends and family. No one would ever suspect you crafted this by yourself. Pros: offer sweet and herb wine flavors. Ingredients are made from California vineyards. Includes the essential ingredients for home brewing. CONS. Does not include equipment. Coming in number 4. North Mountain Supply Winemaking Kit. What customers have to say. A customer purchased this as a Christmas gift for her boyfriend, and he adored it. While it arrived with a damaged hydrometer test jar, she commended customer service to send her a replacement quickly. As a self-proclaimed super novice, another happy customer recommended it for any new winemakers like her. Why we think it's great. This is probably the largest and most comprehensive wine kit available on the market. You just need fresh, canned, or cured fruit and loads of wine bottles to hold your precious brews. Best of all, you have over 100 wine recipes to select from in the handbook, including vintages. Who should buy it? For those who want to play with variety, experiment, and create tons of fruity, country-styled concoctions, this product may signal the start of your newfound and lifelong hobby. Pros: prepares up to 3 gallons. Includes 32 pieces of equipment. A substantial quantity of additives. Comes with a detailed instruction manual. Comes with winemaker's recipe handbook. CONS components may arrive broken. Some parts may be missing. Coming in number 3. Midwest Homebrewing and Winemaking Kit. What customers have to say. Having tried plenty of wine kits in the past, one customer discloses that this product ranks as one of the highest on his list. It's a solid kit and will be repurchased from the company in the future. A fellow purchaser shared that he reordered the product, and it doesn't seem to disappoint at all. Why we think it's great. Wine expert recipes have always resulted in fine, delectable wines. This Chilean Malbec is no exception. Its potent concentrate will free you from the tediousness of extracting the fruits manually. It also packs more citrus flavor for less work. Who should buy it? Are you looking to spice up your wine palate with something new and exotic? This winemaking kit will transport you to the lush vineyards of Chile with its exquisite black wine Malbec recipe. Taste the bitterness of licorice, spice, plums, blackberries, and tar. Just like you're drinking an unsweetened espresso. Pros: supplies up to 32 bottles. Instructions are easy to follow. Comes with a great tasting wine recipe. CONS. Does not come with labels. May not be able to ferment. Coming in number 2. Master Vintner Winemaking Starter Kit. What customers have to say. An Amazon shopper remarked that the winemaking kit has a fantastic quality, from the bottling to the sanitization. He is convinced there is nothing more a beginner winemaker could ask for. On the other hand, another customer shares that the 6-gallon glass carboy is extremely heavy when filled up and may pose a severe threat to the back. She admits the wine kit is lovely, but that fellow customers must beware of her concern. Why we think it's great. No buckets here. A proclaimed winemaking authority, Master Vintner promises easy cleaning with their 2 premium fermenters, a bubbler and glass carboy, with its innovative white mouth feature. Moreover, this product advertises that your wine will be ready in no more than 28 days. An oddity any impatient winemaker could appreciate. Who should buy it due to its short fermentation time? Any novice will find it simple to follow along with the winemaking process. This kit is also highly recommended for expert crafters and longtime wine lovers as a chance to immerse in all aspects of their favorite alcohol fully. Pros: comes with a foolproof instructional CD. High-quality materials. The first batch is ready in 28 days. Compatible with any wine ingredient recipe kit. CONS recipe kit not included. Not well packaged. Coming in number 1. Midwest Homebrewing and Winemaking Starter Kit. What customers have to say. One Amazon customer said that this winemaking kit is easy to use and lightweight, which is a significant plus for her. However, it is too bad the hydrometer was damaged upon arrival. Another buyer commented that it was a great package and had everything you need to brew your homemade wine. Why we think it's great? Its better bottle is constructed with high-end, BPA-free polytetrafluoroethylene. This plastic carboy is lightweight and durable, convenient for lifting your 6 gallons worth of fermenting wine with ease. Who should buy it? As the product name states, this set solely comprises brewing equipment, no chemicals, juice, or in-depth instructional CD to help the novice in their kitchen. Be sure to purchase this if it is genuinely the equipment and not the experience you are looking forward to, or else you will be in for a meltdown. Pros makes up to 23 to 30 bottles of wine. Includes double lever corker and better bottle. Easy to use. Lightweight. CONS may not arrive intact. Lacks juice, instructions, and chemicals.